Hey guys, Mike here from Under the Carolina Sky. It's Saturday and about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Snowing just a little bit, not much, just a cold, rainy day. And I'll just be honest with you, I'm kind of bored and want to go outside and do something. So I found a new spot on the map, on Google Maps. It looks pretty cool. I've never been there before. It's not too far from my house. I can't believe I've never seen it before. I've lived here now just in Charlotte for about 17 years and never saw it before. So pretty incredible. So I'm gonna go check it out. Maybe put up a tarp, maybe cook some food. So we'll see what happens. So stay with me, okay? You know, a lot of people don't like the rain and the snow, but to me, this is just nature, man. This is awesome. I mean, sitting underneath the tarp, the rain coming down and the snow coming down, and just looking at nature and just seeing what God's doing just thrills me, man. I love it. I think it's awesome. And if you can throw a little food in there, especially a little fire in there, and every once in a while, even an overnight adventure, that's even cooler, right? You know, I hate the city. I really do. I can't stand it. I'm just ready to get out. Get out in nature, get out in the woods, see what there is. I hate red lights too. Man, this one's always green. Every time I pull up to it, it's always green. Now that I'm stuck halfway out here on the road, it's red. Yay! There we go. Everybody hang on. I don't know if anybody else feels this way, but when I'm driving and I'm leaving the city and I'm getting out toward the country, man, it's like the weight of the world just falls off my shoulders. I don't know what it is. I just really enjoy getting away from it all and getting out in nature, getting away from human beings. I don't know, just getting away from life, you know, I guess. Call it an escape, call it a cop-out if you want to. But, you know, every once in a while, I just got to go out and find a deserted place and find the rest, right? It's just what I believe. And I think it's good for you. I think more people should do it. Everybody's Christmas shopping. Everybody's rushing off to get their Christmas trees. Get their Christmas trees and their Christmas presents. Walmart's loaded. See over here, all of that used to be forest, and now they're tearing it all down for what? To build more shopping centers, more places for people to go buy junk, go buy stuff that they don't need. Tore all the trees down, all the old homesteads that used to be there, it's all gone now. Such a shame. Oh well. Just keep heading down the road until we get away from it all. You can see that snow is really kind of coming down now a little bit. It's not like a big snow up north or anything like that, but for around here, it makes people clean the shelves off. All the bread, milk, toilet paper's gone. Oh well. I guess it just gives people a reason to stay inside. Does anybody else like being outside when the weather's bad, or is it just me? Let me know if you do. Comment in the section below. I'd like to hear from you. I enjoy being outside in the rain. I even enjoy hiking in the rain. Especially when it's snowing, I like to be outside. You know, if I can be under a tarp or a shelter, that's just a plus, but it just doesn't bother me. Oh, look here. Horses. Ready to cool, man. Latta Plantation's not too far from here. Folks like to take their horses there and ride. Let me see if I can find my street now that I'm looking for. It can't be too far from here. What's your most fun, spur of the moment adventure? Comment below and tell me about it. I'd like to hear about it. Well, the cool thing is it looks like I'm the only one here, so I'm kind of excited. Got my backpack. Let's get this sucker on. Well, that was a real letdown, I'll be honest with you. I drove all the way out here, parked my truck, got out, put on my backpack, went up the trail just a little ways, and it probably wasn't even, not even, I'm wanting to say 40, 50 yards, and there was like a little boardwalk and a little porch that you could stand on and look out over the water and see the wildlife. Signs up everywhere saying that it's prohibited to cross that line. You just couldn't see anything. You couldn't go anywhere. It's a nature preserve, which I understand, but it's just such a shame, you know, that you can't go see things and you can't be out in the woods anymore. Everywhere you go, somebody owns the land, or it's private property, or it's run by the government. There's nothing else that you can do. But anyhow, I'm disappointed. I will say that. I don't know where I'm going to go now. Maybe I'll find another spot. But there's a peacock up here on the right. Maybe I'll be able to catch it on my camera. Let's see. It's a little farm right here. Let's see if I can get it. Can y'all see that? Let me see that peacock or not. There it is right there. Look at him. Hey buddy, what's going on with you? Looking swell in your new duds there. There's a bunch of guineas out there. See all the little guineas going around? Turkeys. Big turkey right there. Big turkey and a goat. A couple goats. I reckon this wasn't a total loss, but it's not the adventure I was hoping for. Sorry, guys. Well, still raining. A little bit of snow coming down. Let's see. Finally made it someplace. I'll tell you where I'm at here in just a little while. Good news is my truck's the only one in the parking lot, and this weather being the way it is, I'm probably not going to see anybody else, and I hope that's the case. I love sharing this with you all, but sometimes when you're out on the trail you just want to be alone, you know. It's nice to see people every once in a while, but it's nothing like being all by yourself out in the woods. All right. Let's take a look around. First time I've been able to be out in quite a while. Actually, started this YouTube channel with every intention of trying to put out a video every couple of weeks, but time just wouldn't permit. And I actually had a little episode a little over a month ago. I passed out and stopped breathing at my house. My wife was able to attend to me and help me. Paramedics came. I ended up spending the night in the hospital, but I'm okay. I just mailed off my heart monitor. I had to wear that for 30 days. Got sick and tired of carrying that thing around. But I'm not going to find anything wrong. I'm okay. So hopefully I'll get out in the woods a little more often. Be able to cut some more videos for you guys. If you've seen my video with my daughter, Kara, I really enjoyed that a lot. That was a lot of fun. I've got 2 boys too, my 2 sons, that I really hope I can get them to come with me and do some hiking with them next year. We'll see. Start to see the lake there now. It's been a while since I've been hiking. I'm getting out of breath a little sooner than what I normally do. Just beautiful. Look at it. There's a patrol boat over there. Not sure where he's going. He might be coming to say hello to me. You never know. Gorgeous out here though. Can't see it, but those rocks are huge, man. Some big boulders down there. Yeah. Get off the beaten path here a little bit. And I've walked off and forgot my hiking stick again today. Which is not good. I need it for my footing. Wow. Look at this. Pretty cool, huh? Big rock I'm standing on. This is not a good place to eat lunch, so I guess I'm going to head on back up the trail. See if I can find a good place where we won't be spotted by anybody that doesn't like us being off the trail, you know what I mean? Pretty good drop off right there. Well, that was Buzzard Rock Overlook at Latta Plantation. Pretty cool place, been here a while. A lot of this lake is man-made, I do believe. I think Duke Power runs it and owns it. Whew. I don't know. Might be a good place as any. little bit more now, but trees are kind of acting as a canopy, keeping me pretty dry for the most part. Beautiful to look at it on the water though. See the steam coming off the water. Watch the raindrops and the snow hit the water. It's beautiful. So nice to be out here. I can't hear another soul. I can't even hear a car. I haven't heard an airplane fly over. All I can hear is the raindrops falling down through the trees and a little bit of wildlife every once in a while. I put a little extra water in it this time. I think I'm going to have more of a chicken and rice soup than anything, but it should be good. Oh God, it's perfect. Wow. Thought I might have had too much water in it. It turns out it was just right. Wow. Really good. Guys, I love you. Maybe I'll have another video out before Christmas. I'm not sure, but if I don't, Merry Christmas to everybody. I love you. To my family and my friends, I love all of you more than words can say. Life is short. Get out and have fun while you can. Enjoy your family. Tell somebody you love them today. Well, I guess it's about time for me to head on out of here. I'm way off the trail, but it's really nice out here. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it very much. It's been awesome to be out here, make some coffee, have a little lunch. Chicken and rice from Mountain House comes highly recommended now. Let me tell you, that stuff's really good, really good. It was cooked perfectly and it was just enough. One serving is just enough for one person. I know they make it in 2.5 servings, but one serving did me just fine, you know, just to come out here and make a little meal and drink a little coffee. I might make some more coffee when I get back to the truck for the drive home, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for joining me. Hope you all enjoy the video. God bless. Bye. Hear that? Yeah, time to head back. Call it a day. Oh well. Been fun.
Every cowboy, he always misses when he's aiming at the target.